Hey everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. As you come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome with you. If you're catching me live, you will see the big red live box in the upper left-hand corner. That means we can chat right here live on Facebook. And if you're checking me out on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty videos. So hey guys, welcome. Happy Wednesday. I'm excited to be here with you. Sorry I missed you yesterday. Still a little under the weather, but a little bit better, which is always good to get better, right? So for those of you that are new, I am a designer for this amazing company called Chalk Couture. So all these beautiful projects that you see around me, I created those using Chalk Couture products, and so many other surfaces. So real quick, I'm going to throw this up on my screen for you. So what is Chalk Couture? So we are a DIY home decor and crafting company. You won't find our products anywhere else besides designers like myself or through designers like myself. Hey Laura Lee, welcome. We do offer a line of silk screen reusable transfers, and you usually get 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. We have our Chalkology Chalk Paste, and then we have our Couture inks. Now we do offer several surfaces like chalkboards, boxwood frame, canvas pillowcases, and totes, but you can use our products on so many other surfaces, you guys. Oh, Laura Lee, thanks so much for sharing. You guys, if you love what I'm going to be sharing with you, the greatest compliment you could give me is a share, and I totally greatly appreciate that. But like I said, these products can be used on so many other surfaces. So this can be done on canvas, wood, tin, dry erase board. You can make t-shirts and dish towels, coffee mugs. The list can go on and on. But the greatest thing, hey Rhonda, welcome. The greatest thing that I can offer to you is a DIY home decor business opportunity, not only here in the US, but also in Canada. We just launched in Canada in 4 provinces. So this is available in Alberta, British Columbia, Ontario, and Saskatchewan. And you guys, in the US, this is an amazing ground floor opportunity as well. So if you are interested in learning more, this is the awesome kit that you can purchase. Sorry, where you can get 8 transfers, 2 surfaces, 5 chalk paste, and a squeegee, your apron, your catalogs, your business supplies, everything that you need to get this amazing business started. And you guys, it has been life-changing, not only for myself, but so many others. So again, if you are interested in learning more, if you're watching me and you think, oh my gosh, that is super cool, I want to be a part of that, please comment information below and I will make sure I get you that information. So, hey Nancy, how are you? You guys, I don't know if you just saw, probably about a half hour ago, I posted this video, right? Did you see I posted the video on how to make these? These all, thanks for sharing, Nancy. These are just basic canvases. Regular canvases that you would purchase at any local Walmart or craft store. And by the way, this was actually shared by another designer. I don't know her name, but I want to make sure she gets credit. Another Chalk Couture designer shared how she created these gorgeous canvas boards. And I don't know if she used wood or canvas, but I thought, how awesome does that look? I mean, super cheap. Oh, Jen, I am... I'm better, but I'm definitely not 100%. I don't know what this is, just like that summer cold. It just stinks, let me tell you. So I actually have some chicken noodle soup finally brewing upstairs. I'm saying brewing like I'm a witch, right? Dear Lord. Oh. Anyway, but thank you so much for asking. That was very, very sweet of you. But these are just so inexpensive to make. I mean, seriously, make sure you check out that video. Again, basic cheap canvases. I went ahead, I taped them off, and I painted them using acrylic paint. And look how awesome they turned out. The only thing I'm going to mention is, I'm going to show this to you, but just because I think just so you can see. On the white canvas, do you see this? I didn't have my tape down good, so it kind of gave it that little edge. So just make sure you press down your edge really good. Like my black one turned out awesome. But the white not so much, but it's going to work because I just think it's fine. It's totally fine. So again, just your basic canvases. And I thought, oh, sorry, dropped my transfer in the water. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. I thought, how cute would it be to put these two designs right on there, right? Super cute, super easy. I'm going to do them in the same colors. And I'm going to use, obviously, my favorite color called Shimmering Gold. But I just thought, sorry, you guys, I got water everywhere. Hot mess. Hot mess express. But that is just, I just was like, oh my gosh. When she showed other designers about this, and my upline was kind of like, oh gosh, that was super cool. I mean, I just can't believe how inexpensive you could create beautiful surfaces. Now, the one thing I want to say to you, and something that I kind of learned, anytime I am working with that, like you've seen me do reverse canvas, but when you're doing canvas, you see how you have like this open space right here? I definitely like to get something to put inside of here. This is just a regular dish towel that I folded to fit right in here, only because when I flip it over, it kind of gives me, hey Stacy, a little bit sturdier surface than if I was just doing this. See? Even sounds different, but I think this just gives you a little sturdier surface so that when you're scraping your chalk paste, you have a little bit more leverage. So just a quick little tip. Now, you guys, I have used these transfers before, so really, really awesome that Chalk Couture transfers are all reusable. So you usually get 8 to 15 uses. So again, you can create over and over again. I actually made a t-shirt out of this one, and now I'm going to do it on a canvas. So you always want to make sure you write on the back of your transfers. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to remove my transfer from the carrier sheet. Now, don't pick at your corners, guys, because you could easily pick them apart. Start on the side or the top. Rub your finger to get it started. Flip it over and remove your carrier sheet from the transfer. Now, I'm not going to fuzz this one. I think I'll fuzz this one, but I'm not going to fuzz this one. Only because I don't think I need to. It's on the black canvas. I think I'll be fine. For some reason, for me, I swear black canvases are totally different than white canvases. I don't know if anybody else has ever had that experience, but for me, it's just a different texture or something. I don't know. But I like working with the black canvases better than the white. Hey, Mary Lynn, thanks for popping on. So I'm just lining this up where I want it. And I'm eyeballing this, by the way. And then I'm just going to place it and smooth it out so I don't have any air bubbles in my silk screen. So again, I have that towel underneath here, which is giving me a little bit easier, like it's easier for me to press down to make sure I've got that down. And I like to do it a little bit more when I'm using canvas because, again, it's kind of like a fabric. It's not really a solid surface. Right, Jen? I'm hoping. I'm totally hoping it comes out like in my vision. You know, even though right now my vision's all over the place because I'm taking 2 different medicines. I don't know. You should have heard me last night. I was talking to Nikki, and I'm like, Nikki, I don't think I should be talking right now. And I can't laugh, so don't say anything funny. I still can't laugh. All right, so we'll do this one first. I'm using my Shimmering Gold Chalk Paste. Now, the Shimmering Gold, we have 3 chalk paste, you guys, that are like they have a shimmer gold, like they have shimmer to them, kind of like a glitter. There's a shimmering copper, shimmering gold, and this is a shimmering silver. These things rock. These colors rock. Like 3 colors anybody ever would need is the shimmering colors. They rock, rock, rock. And I can't say that more than that. Okay, they're my favorite. I love them. And I'm so thankful they came out with them. So I'm going to take my small squeegee. I'm going to dip it in. I'm going to get a good bit on here. And then I'm going to scrape this across my silk screen. Using one color, so it's going to be easy peasy. Scraping this across. This would be really, really awesome in a bathroom. I don't know why I thought of that, but I just think it would be pretty. Be pretty in any room, but pretty for nice decor in your bathroom with your nice big claw tub, if you have one. I don't have one, but that's okay. I'm so glad you guys are here hanging out with me on a Wednesday afternoon. I'm just waiting. Matthew went to school today, by the way, thank goodness. So I'm glad to hear that. He went to school. He was feeling better. Fever was gone. All right, are we ready for the peel and reveal? Here we go. Fingers crossed. Uh-oh, it's sticking. Eee. It's sticking to my paint. Oh. It probably should have dried just a little bit longer, the paint, but it's okay. It's cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys. Wowzers. That's my word. Wowzer. Oh, my gosh. You guys. Oh, my gosh. Like, tell me that does not... Oh, my gosh. A little girl's room, Jen. Yes. That would be cute. Oh, my gosh. But you guys, like, say what, where, when. That is awesome. Hello. I want to see hearts. Like, I'm not seeing hearts, and I better start seeing hearts because that just rocked. Completely. It is gorgeous. Wow. I love it. I totally love it. Okay, so I'm going to set this one off to the side. And then I'm going to do this one. Saying it again. Wow. Wow. Amazed. Okay, so I'm going to get my towel. And I'm just going to stick it in here. And again, just in case anybody's curious, regular dish towel. All I did was fold it to fit in here. I folded the one side. Folded the other side. And I just kind of smash it in. I'm going to flip it over. So again, it just gives me a nicer surface. Hey, Amy, how are you? Now, I am going to fuzz this one up. Sorry, you guys. Only because I'm going on white canvas. And I don't have good luck sometimes with white canvases. And that's, you know what, Jen, if you're having that, it could be the quality of the canvas that you're using. I have noticed that. If depending on where you go, I swear there are different types of canvases. And I just make sure I kind of get a little bit more expensive canvas than the cheap one. Because I'll be honest, look, some canvases don't have a tight grain. So when you're looking at your canvases, look for the tighter grain when you're purchasing them. That's what I started doing, and they've worked great. The other thing, you can try waxing them. Sometimes wax will help. And then, oh, Denise, yay! The other thing, and I don't, if you saw me do it before, when you apply the transfer, take the extra step in trying to make sure you press it down. Like, it just that little bit extra. Sorry, trying to make sure I'm even. Like, go over those silkscreen areas the best you can to press it down so that you try to eliminate any kind of bleeding. Okay? So just a couple simple steps. But I can tell you, I am 100% sure there are different types of canvases or different types of grade of canvases. Okay? So again, just taking my time to smooth this out a little bit more. I've got that towel underneath there. Just to give me that little... And are you having a towel underneath too? Like, are you putting a towel under there to give it that extra support? Is the other thing. All right, so let's try this one. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Let's see what we got. Let's try it. I'm going to need some more of the chalk paste. I'm running low. Running low on my gold chalk paste. That will make me cry. Scraping it across the silk screen, you guys. This is not painting. It's scraping. Oops. I got a little on the edge. I hope I can get it off. If not, oh well. I went a little too crazy over there. Let's see if we can get it off. Scraping off my excess. Putting it back in my jar because I am not wasting any of this one. Okay. Oh, wow. I love it. Wow. Oh, yeah, you guys, looks amazing. Wow. Gotcha, Jen. Yeah, it could have been. It could have been. So, you guys, I got a little tiny bit of chalk paste over here on my canvas. I'm going to try to hurry up with a Clorox wipe and see if I can get it. Yes. Sweet. It's gone. Love the chalk paste. Love our chalk paste for that reason right there. So that is it, you guys. I chalked these two amazing designs on these awesome canvases. Very, very inexpensive. Check it out. What do you guys think? Do you love it? I mean, like, I want to say, like, amazeballs, and I know I shouldn't say that on Facebook Live, but I'm saying it because it looks awesome. Like, I'm super happy right now. And it's making me feel better, right? Talking makes you feel better. So you guys, if you have any questions about our products, if you have any questions about the opportunity, if you thought this was the coolest thing you've ever seen, I would love to answer any questions you have. But again, anyone can do this. Anyone can create beautiful DI home decor in minutes. We have been on here for 16 minutes and I created both of these. And most of it was you guys listening to me talk. So that's it for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. And you guys, I will be chalking with you tomorrow night. So stay tuned. Have a great day.